Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze your credit with Klover. So let's get straight into it. Freezing your credit with Klover is a pretty simple process that can help you to protect your credit. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account, and once you're logged in, you want to click on credit freeze, and you can select freeze credits. And now you can view your credit freeze options and choose the one that's best for you, and just confirm your credit freeze request. And now you're going to receive a notification email from Klover that verifies your freezing of your credit. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to freeze your credit with Klover. Pretty simple and straightforward process. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.